Millie's sitting. And Millie, stay. She'll stay a long time if people are watching her. We do this at dinner time when we don't want her jumping up on us. And sometimes she'll keep watch on our eyes and she'll see, are we watching her? Are we watching her? And then she'll sneak it. Otherwise, if we are watching her, she'll stay a long time and just wait. Won't ya? You're a good dog. And only sometimes sneaky. No? Because you're so smart. You're too smart, huh? Want it? Want apple? Want it? Yeah? Nearly free? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. That's enough. That's enough treats. For sniffing my plate. You're a beggar. You're a beggar though, huh? That's all. No, no. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Millie's good. Millie's good girl. Millie's good.